Hello and welcome guys to the channel of Ink Monk, and I am Indranil. So this is going to be a very short trip to a place called Tapang, which is in Khordha district, and it's about 37 to 40 kilometers from Bhubaneswar. We've heard a lot about this place in recent times, particularly in lockdown, so let's see how it fares. Seriously cloudy weather all around, but the cloud looks awesome, absolutely suited for a road trip. We thought of going to the right place on right time, but शायद थोड़ा आगे आ गया है, so we have to take a U-turn and get back. So we'll put in exact landmarks for people who are traveling from Bhubaneswar, for people not to get lost. What we need to do is we need to take to the left from here, a little bit of divergence, and that's where the destination goes to. So if we take to the left from this part, it's off the actual road actually. You've got to take to the left, and there we go, don't get confused. The road is a bit off-road kind, so have vehicles of that kind. So basically it took us around 1 hour 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Now the problem is अपने को खोरदा क्रॉस करने के बाद बैरामपुर वाला जो रास्ता है उसके खोरदा क्रॉस करने के बाद 10 किलोमीटर के अंदर एक लेफ्ट लेना पड़ेगा, जिसका मैंने लैंडमार्क पहले वीडियो में डाल दिया था. देन वी नीड टू टेक द लेफ्ट एंड रास्ता थोड़ा खराब है, बट फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड एंड दिस प्लेस लुक्स ऑसम, ट्रस्ट मी. दिस इज ऑलमोस्ट बिकम a hangout place for young people, I guess, because अभी तो इसमें सही में बहुत सारा गाड़ी वाड़ी भी दिख रहा है, loads of bikers, and we see a decent number of people as well. So we finally landed. I don't know how the place would be, so let's come and see what it actually looks like, then rather than just a picture. So I'll give a basic backdrop of this whole place. This is a plateau region, so there had been lots of mining activities going on. So what has happened is, for some government orders, definitely mining activities probably has been stopped. I have no idea what is the real backdrop of having something really this beautiful, but probably because of some government orders, mining activities had been temporarily stopped. Although kuch abhi bhi chal raha hai, we can even see whenever we are coming to this place. So that is the reason natural water that has been stored, and this place has become something this unusually beautiful. So it looks like another road up here. It's the same place basically, but it's a different viewpoint. And as you can see, the lakes, the most beautiful part about the lake is the color of the water. It looks seriously clean and clear. You can see loads of people taking baths as well. And the little bit of mountains that we have, they've got some seriously beautiful contour, I would say. So that was it about this short trip to Tapang. It's Nijigarh. It's called Tapang Nijigarh. So it's not going to take you guys a lot of time, hardly around 45 minutes even to stay in this place. अगर आप लोग को intentionally रहना भी है, so it's not going to take more than 45 minutes. Actually 35 minutes would be more than enough. The kind of the mountain, the plateau, the way it has been eroded by Mother Nature as well as by the human beings, that is what has given it such a beautiful contour basically. And other than that, a bit raw in terms of you're not going to find a lot of amenities, no amenities rather, kuch to hai hi nahi. It used to be probably a mining area which is not being used. So that is it about the trip. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you are coming to Bhubaneswar or someplace around it, do check out this place. It's actually beautiful to hang out with your friends in particular.
If you like the video, then please do leave a like and comment in the box below. To support us for more videos like these, please subscribe to our channel.